Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening this sewing machine that I just bought off Amazon.com, and it's the Brother CS6000i. So I'm so excited. It's a computerized sewing machine. It has 60 built-in stitches. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it has. Yay! Okay, perfect. Okay, so here are the foot pedals. Okay. And then here's the wall charger. And then this is the foot pedal. Bigger one. Right here, things will be falling off. Styrofoam to keep it in place from moving. Just dump that somewhere. More styrofoam. I'm taking the small things out first, and this is the book, the manual on how to operate this machine and the tricks. So I can't wait to get to it to read it. And then there's another box. I'm trying to do the small things first. So it really doesn't have all that many things in the box. Yay. So, oh, okay, so this is the table. It includes a long table for when you're doing larger projects. You know, sewing, quilting, and all that stuff. Here. And it has measurements. Yay, that's gonna make life way easier. And the feet, so that you can make it stand. Awesome. And that one also has a manual to guide you on how to attach it to the machine. Perfect. And now here, this is the hard cover for the machine. I'm very excited about this one. It says Brother in it. Yeah, this is just the hard case. Finally, I got to the machine. It's not that big. Wow, it's awesome. Wow. Oh my goodness. Pictures lie. Don't listen if people say pictures don't lie. Well, maybe I was mistaken. I thought the screen that makes it computerized would be larger. But it's a very tiny little screen here. Yes. So, here's the machine. It's very pretty. It's beautiful. Small little machine. Portable. I love it. Well, I will love it. That's the one I really liked when I was browsing the web. So, that's it. I'm gonna take great care of it because it was really expensive, and I got it off of Amazon. And yeah, it's nice. It's very light. Yeah, it's really light. I think they said that it weighs 12 pounds. So it's quite light. And then here's the box detailing the features. Yeah. So anyway, there's nothing in the box. It's a huge box because of the way they package the stuff. So it won't break. That's it. That's me unpackaging the Brother CS6000i. That's my baby. I'll be making some cool stuff pretty soon, especially winter stuff since it's winter time. So much love. Bye.